Namaste and welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a vibrant journey to explore the rich and diverse dance traditions of India. From classical to contemporary, folk to tribal, India's dance forms are the testament to its rich culture heritage. Let's begin with an introduction to various styles of dance in India. India has a rich cultural heritage reflected in its classical, folk, tribal, and contemporary dance forms. Each dance style tells a unique story and represents different regions, communities, and traditions. Classical dance forms are the epitome of grace, precision, and spiritual expressions. Let's delve into three prominent classical dance styles. First, we have a Bharatnatyam, which originated in Tamil Nadu, known for its intricate footwork and expressive hand gestures. It's a beautiful blend of devotion and artistry. Next, Kathak, which emerged in North India, is characterized by rapid spins, rhythmic footwork, and graceful movements. It is a dance form that captivates with its storytelling. Lastly, Odissi from Odisha features fluid, sinuous movements and devotional themes, reflecting the region's rich cultural tapestry. Folk dances are the heartbeat of India. Cultural festivals and celebrations, they are vibrant, energetic, and full of life. Bhangra, an energetic Punjabi dance, celebrates the harvest season with its lively and robust movements. After that, Garba. Garba, a lively Gujarati dance, is performed during Navratri festivities and brings communities together in joyful celebrations. Chau, a mask dance from Jharkhand and Odisha, combines martial arts and storytelling. And Bihu, a joyful dance from Assam, marks the Bihu festival with its rhythmic movements and vibrant costumes. Tribal dance reflect the unique traditions and rituals of India's indigenous communities. Varli from Maharashtra is a geometric ritual-based dance of the Varli tribe. Satriya, a devotional dance of the Assam's Vaishnavite community, tells stories of devotion and spirituality. Chirao, the bamboo dance of the Mizo people, is both mesmerizing and intricate. And Karma, a celebratory dance of Santhaji tribe, brings people together in festive spirit. Contemporary dance in India creative fusion of tradition and modern styles. Fusion experiments blend traditions dance styles with modern techniques, creating a unique and innovative performance. Inter- Interdisciplinary collaborations integrate dance with other art forms like music, theatre, and visual art, expanding the horizons of dance. And social engagement through dance address social issues and narratives, making it a powerful medium for change. Fusion dance forms are bring together the best of different dance traditions. Kathak contemporary combines the grace of Kathak with modern dance techniques. Bharatnatyam jazz fuses traditional South India dance with jazz inspired movements, and Manipuri ballet blends the fluid Manipuri style with a structured Western ballet, creating a beautiful harmony. Significance of dance in Indian culture. Dance holds a special place in Indian culture, serving as a medium for spiritual expression, cultural preservation, and community bonding. It acts as a conduit for a devotion and connection with the divine, passes down traditions and narratives, and brings people together in shared experiences. Conclusion, the diversity of Indian dance. In conclusion, the diversity of Indian dance is a testament of the country's rich cultural heritage. From classical to folk, tribal to contemporary, each dance form plays a vital role in cultural expression and preservation. Thank you for joining us on this journey through India's diverse dance traditions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the more cultural exploration. Until next time, keep dancing and celebrating life.